Leave-in air conditioner is a air care product that moisturize, detangle, hydrate and add softness to air without weighing the air down. Leave-in air conditioner is good for all types of air, especially virgin and natural air. It can also be used on children air. In this production, we'll be making 2 liters of leave-in air conditioner. And first and foremost, you need to boil 2 liters of clean water. Boil it and set it aside. The next is to light up your heat source. Place a clean, dry pot on it. Make sure you work on a low heat. Add your petroleum jelly into the hot pot and allow it to melt. Petroleum jelly on air prevents breakage, reduce split ends, and make your hair shine. Like, comment, and share this video. The next ingredient we are adding is emulsify wax. Emulsify wax allows us to combine water-based and oil-based ingredients together. It's perfect for leave-in air products because of its soft and not greasy. Stir and allow it to melt together with the jelly. The next we are adding is cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol is a fatty alcohol. It's commonly used in hair care products. It moisturizes, it helps detangle hair, soften and smoothen hair. It also serves as a thickener on these products. Stir it together and allow it to melt. Don't forget to work on a low heat. If you have not liked this video, why not? Like my video, share and comment. Also subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell to notify you for the next video. The next ingredient we are adding is paraffin oil. Paraffin oil acts as a barrier to seal in moisture, provide shine, smoothness, and protection against environmental damage. Now we have 4 ingredients altogether: petroleum jelly, emulsifying wax, cetyl alcohol, and paraffin oil. Heat it up on a low heat. Do not fry. Then set it aside for the next step. Remember, we are making 2 liters of leave-in air conditioner. Now bring out your already boiled water. Very hot water, but not to the point of boiling. Measure out your 2 liters of water into your mixing bowl. Out of these 2 liters of water, I scoop out small out of it and I mix my preservative inside. I use melting paraben. So I added my preservative to the hot water and I mix it. I set it aside before continue. Now add your already melted oil into the hot water and stir. You need to stir it gently and stir it very, very well. You will need to stir it for like 5 to 6 minutes. Then allow it to rest a while before adding the next ingredients. The next ingredient I'm adding is Daquat A. Daquat A is a conditioning agent used in hair products like shampoo, hair dye, and conditioner. It frees your hair from tangling. Daquat A provides smoothness and giving a velvety feeling on hair. As you add, stir very well for another 5 minutes. And the next we are adding is our already mixed preservative. Don't forget, I use melting paraben. Stir together very well. Stir for another 5 minutes and set it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. It looks very watery, but with time it's going to thicken up. Set it aside. After 30 minutes, go back to it again and stir it. Then the next thing I'm adding now is fragrance. You can add any fragrance of your choice. If you check it, you will see that it's getting thicker. So add your fragrance to it, stir it, and set it aside for another 30 minutes. Then you go back and stir. After 4 hours, this is the outcome of our air conditioner. You can see it, very lovely, white, and is now thick very well. You can still allow it like maybe more than 4 to 5 hours and it will get more thicker than this, or you leave it overnight. You can choose any container of your choice, package it for use. You can also package it for sale. Remember, this is Empower to Earn. On this channel, we empower you to earn money. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. It will notify you when I drop the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.